dun. Bunny. Dun dun dun. Oh no, they noticed us noticing them. Dun dun. Bunny eating breakfast. Bunny eating breakfast. Ah, there we go. Please enjoy this nature moment. Brought to you by us here in Boston. It's about 4:58 a.m. Probably no. It's 5:12, 5:13. Yes, it is. So let's say it's 5:15 in the morning. What's doing at quarter past 5? What's doing at 5:15 in the morning in Boston? We're hanging out with bunnies. Yeah. Well, if we had more light and a better camera, maybe a mic boom, we could do a proper interview with the bunny. But this is as good as it gets with an iPhone. Yes. So that glow, that's the bunny's eye, and then on the flash here, and that bunny is eating their breakfast. So be like the bunny, wake up, eat some breakfast, and then hop to it. So you have a great day. Cheers. Thank you, bunny.